Okay, so lots of excitement around tasks. I just want to highlight a couple of things. Okay, so you will now, I'm on Earth 20 and our task list has grown significantly. As you can see, just a couple of things I want to highlight. So this top task was the one that I assigned out. Okay, and so if I assign a task, I generally can go and delete that task. Okay, so I'm the one that has assigned it and I've got editing rights on that task. Okay, you will notice all the other tasks I can't do anything with. There's nothing, you have assigned the task to somebody, it's not my job, I can view it, that's it. Okay, so if the task that I assigned, this is a task I assigned to Inga, the one she assigned to me looks like this. I've got a green, ignore the red button for now. We're going to show that, we'll tell you about that next week. Okay. The green button, okay, no, before I get to the green button, if I look at my task that is assigned to me, if I click on that, it gives me a little bit of a summary of that task, but more importantly, I can now go and do a whole lot of stuff here. I can go and upload a document to a task if I want to. We've all done that a little bit earlier on a property, but the same functionality is available here. Okay, so as you working on a task, you can add proof or correspondence or whatever on it. You can add comments on the task. Okay, so you can build your evidence around the task. Okay, so we'll touch on subtasks and team members and all those things in later training. But I just wanted to highlight to you that a task is just like another item inside the application, and you can build information around that task. Okay. The other thing is a task is always linked to an item. Okay, so just notice that. So in this case, it's Earth 20. Next week, it's going to be against evaluation. Okay, so where you must go and do something with evaluation. Okay, and so if I've worked on my task, and the quickest way to say I'm done with my task, okay, just if you now want to finish your job and say show proof, you just click on the green button. You click on the green button, your task is marked as 100% complete. Okay, so there you go. My task now that I click the green button on is 100% complete. Okay, just ignore the red button for now. Okay, okay. So that's the easiest way to complete, say a task is complete. If I have completed the task in my dashboard view, that task is erased. Okay, it is not in my assigned view anymore. Okay, so your dashboard will only show you your current tasks and outstanding tasks. Okay, okay. So the other thing is, let me just get back to there. Colors are fairly important. Red means you are past your due date. Okay, so black, if a task is black, it did not run over the due date. Okay, if it goes into red, then it means that it has gone over the due date assigned for it. Okay, so that's just one way. If you as you saw now, you get notified via email of a task. Okay, you will also get notified when you are past your due date. So it sends reminders to you. Okay. What you will notice in the audit trail of the entire of the item, all the task data is sitting there as well. Okay, and in the audit trail, it will confirm whether notifications are sent. Okay, so it actually it shows that a task is added in the audit trail, and it shows that a notification is sent. Okay, so it's not like there's an excuse that I did not get my task. We love audit trails, but we also hate them. Okay, so just beware of that. And so we'll be unpacking tasks quite significantly next week. So Yeah, maybe there's one other thing else. Yeah, no, let's keep it at that. Okay. So the key thing is you can assign a task to somebody. A task can be assigned to you. You can edit a task and add content to it if you want to, and you can complete the task by just clicking on the green button. We'll touch on the red button and the orange button next week. Okay. And the difference between the two. I see there's already an orange one, but so that's cool. Okay. And so an item will reflect all the tasks that are applicable.